Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio for executive dashboards. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Select the spreadsheet you want to connect to Looker Studio. In the top right corner, click on the Share button. Ensure that your spreadsheet is accessible to those who need to view the dashboard. You can either share it with specific people or set it to anyone with the link. Next, open a new tab and go to Looker Studio. Log in to your Looker Studio account. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the top left corner. Select Report from the drop-down menu. In the Data Source selection window, click on Create New Data Source. From the list of connectors, choose Google Sheets. Authorize Looker Studio to access your Google Sheets account if prompted. A list of your available Google Sheets will now appear. Find and select the spreadsheet you previously prepared. You will be prompted to select a specific sheet within the spreadsheet. Choose the sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. After selecting the sheet, click on the Connect button in the top right corner. Looker Studio will display the fields within your selected sheet. Review the data types and ensure they are set correctly. You can make adjustments if necessary by clicking on the field settings. Once satisfied, click the Add to Report button at the top right. Your Google Sheets data is now connected to Looker Studio. You can begin creating your executive dashboard by adding visual elements. Utilize charts, tables, and metrics to display your key performance indicators. Customize the layout and design to match your branding and objectives. You can also apply filters and date ranges to focus on specific data points. Regularly update your Google Sheets to ensure that Looker Studio reflects the latest information. Your executive dashboard is now fully set up and ready for insights. Explore additional Looker Studio features to enhance your reporting capabilities. Save your report frequently to prevent any data loss. Finally, share your dashboard with stakeholders through the Share option in Looker Studio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.